How to completely hide apps on iOS 26. Example, I will hide these apps: TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. Now, those 3 apps are completely hidden on my phone. Can't be found even inside the app library. You can completely hide any app on iOS like this. To make these apps visible again, you only need one simple action. The hidden apps have now reappeared. Open App Store. Install Cape, Screen Time Master. Create new app group. Select Complete Restrictions Mode. Choose Application. I selected these apps to hide. Now press Hide. The selected apps have been completely hidden. The apps can no longer be found. Tap again to show applications. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.